Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I will tell you about my trip to the supermarket. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. Today, I need to buy some food. My refrigerator is almost empty. So I decide to go to the supermarket. I usually go to the supermarket once or twice a week. The supermarket is not far from my house. It takes about 10 minutes to get there. Today the weather is nice, so I decide to walk. I arrive at the supermarket. I walk inside. The store is big and bright. There are many shelves and aisles. I take a basket. Now I am ready to shop. First, I go to the fruit section. There are many colorful fruits. I see apples. I see bananas. I see oranges. I take 2 apples. I take 1 bunch of bananas. I put the fruit in my basket. Next, I go to the vegetable section. There are many vegetables here. I take some tomatoes. I take a cucumber. I take 2 carrots. Now I walk to the meat section. Today I want to cook chicken for dinner, so I choose a pack of chicken. Next, I go to the dairy section. I take 1 bottle of milk. Now I walk to the bread section. I smell fresh bread. It smells very good. I walk to the cashier. The cashier scans the items. Now it is time to pay. Finally, I arrive home. I put the groceries away in the kitchen. Now my kitchen is ready for cooking. That was my trip to the supermarket. Thank you for listening and learning with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.